In 1963, during the height of the civil rights movement, one man's voice stood above the rest. On the steps of the Lincoln Memorial, before a crowd of hundreds of thousands, Martin Luther King Jr. delivered his iconic speech, a vision of equality, justice, and hope. This is the I Have a Dream speech, one of the greatest speeches in history.
I am happy to join with you today in what will go down in history as the greatest demonstration for freedom in the history of our nation. I have a dream that one day this nation will rise up and live out the true meaning of its creed. We hold these truths to be self-evident, that all men are created equal. I have a dream that one day on the red hills of Georgia, the sons of former slaves and the sons of former slave owners will be able to sit down together at the table of brotherhood. I have a dream that one day, even the state of Mississippi, a state sweltering with the heat of injustice, sweltering with the heat of oppression, will be transformed into an oasis of freedom and justice. We will be able to speed up that day when all of God's children, black men and white men, Jews and Gentiles, Protestants and Catholics, will be able to join hands and sing in the words of the old Negro spiritual, free at last, free at last. Thank God Almighty, we are free at last.
Martin Luther King Jr.'s words still resonate today, reminding us that the fight for equality is ongoing and that dreams can inspire change.